afternoon, dear children. Welcome to online class. See the class 6. The subject social studies. Right. See the lesson number chapter 2. The diversity discrimination. The diversity discrimination. Right. See, in the previous class we already discussed about the question, the end of the chapter, the question number, the match the following, and the what is that? The answer the following question. Right. Answer the following question number 2 and match the following also. Right. See, shall we recall this? Okay. See the match the following. The first one is two surgeons were sitting down to lunch when on them one of them made a call on the mobile phone, right? So you have to match the right answer 3, number 3, to speak with her daughter who had just returned from school, right? And the second one, the boy who won the drawing competition went to the dyers, right? And the second one answer, the fourth, on a wheelchair to collect his prize, right? So you have to match the right answer. Number 4, on the wheelchair to collect his prize. And the third one of the fastest athletes in the world. One of the fastest athletes in the world. The answer is the suffers from chronic asthma, right? And the fourth one, she was not that well off but had a dream. See the fourth answer, to become an astronaut, which she did, right? See the question number 2. The question number 2, what is that? How can the stereotype that girls are a burden on their parents affect the life of a daughter? And imagine this situation and at least for you different effects that these stereotypes can have on the way daughters get treated in the house, right? And the first point is they are not properly cared for, and second one, they are not given preference for a higher education, and the third one, they are not allowed to attend and join a school. Okay, they are married early. Okay, they are married early, and they are not provided nourishing food. They are engaged early in household works. Okay, see, today we are going to learn about the third, 3, 4, the answers, right? See the third one, question is, what does the Constitution say with regard to equality? Why do you think it is important for all people to be equal, right? See the third answer. The third answer is, please write down guys. The answer number 3. How Constitution, how the Constitution provides that The states shall not discriminate and against any citizen on the basis of a religion, race, caste, and the sex or region it is important for all people to be equal because only then our society would develop in the true sense of the term it is our right to treat it equal equally. It is our right to be. It is our right to be. It is our right to be given due respect. It is our right. It is our right to be given equal. need equality so that we may go ahead without any hindrances. We may prove ourselves helpful in the development of the society and the country. Society and the country. See, the third answer, what is that? The Out Constitution provides that the states shall not discriminate against any citizen on the basis of a religion, race, caste, and the sex or a region. It is important for all people to be equal, because only then our society would develop in the true sense of the term. It is our right to be treated equally. It is our right to be given all respect. Is our right to be given equal opportunities. In the absence of all these, our life would be hell. Our personality would be surface. Hence, we need equality so that we may go ahead without any hindrances. We may prove ourselves helpful in the development of the society and country. Right? See, this is the third one answer. And the fourth one. See the fourth question. What is the fourth question? See, sometimes people make a prejudice the comments in our presence. We are often not in a position to do anything about this, because it is difficult to say something right then and there. Divide the class into groups, and each group discuss that they could do in one of the following situations, right? And the first one, a friend begins to tease a classmate because he is poor. And the second one, you are watching TV with your family and one of them makes a prejudice the comment about a particular religious community. And the third, the children in your class refuse to share their food with a particular person because they think she is dirty, right? And the fourth one, someone tells you a joke that makes fun of a community because of their Asian, right? And the fifth one, some boys make a remarks about a girls not being able to play games as well as them. Discuss in the class what the different group have suggested for the above situations, and also talk about the problems that can come up when raising the issue, right? See the fourth answer. The next one is the fourth answer. Okay. See, the fourth answer is, what is that? The first one, A, the classmate needs to be advised not to do so, right? The first one is the classmate needs to be advised not to do so, and the second one would stop him or her at the first instance they would be, the second point is would stop him or her at the first instance, and the third one, see, they would be asked to see her qualities of a head and a heart and not of a her dietness, right? See, the fourth one is advice, right? And the fourth one, advice. And the fifth one, they would be asked not to do so. Now discuss that yourself in the class in groups, right? The first one is the classmate needs to be advised to do so, and the second one would stop him or her at the first instance, and the third one, they would be asked to see her qualities of a head and heart and not of her dirtiness, right? And the fourth one, advice. And the fifth one, they would be asked not to do so. Now discuss that yourself in the class in groups, right? See guys, this is the answer 3, 4 and the chapter 2, diversity discrimination, right? So you have to write your fair note. Okay? See you the next class.